So it's early in the morning here in the neighborhood. Kind of see what's going on. You could hear some music there. People are on their motorcycles. You know, people are getting to work. But the thing is, there's actually a temple right next to the house. So I'm gonna head over there just to check it out. I have not seen it yet. We just passed by it whenever we were coming here. But it's really close. So it's over here on the right. And this is my mom's best friend's son's house, and they're building another whole building here with 3 rooms, and they're basically gonna rent this out. So more than likely an Airbnb, because there's a lot of tourists that come here. So here's the temple. Well, you can hear music. I'm not sure if I could go in this early in the morning, but I'm about to find out. And it's around like 7, yeah, about a little past 7 in the morning. All right, so here's the temple, and you could hear the wonderful music. Oh wow, they're already doing something today. I'm not sure what it is. Today is Monday, by the way. So, wow. Monks are up there. And I think about a day ago, there was actually a funeral. So, I don't know if it's related to that. Yeah, I think it is. So, I don't think I'm gonna get up close, because that's, you know, a personal celebration for their families. If it is a funeral, it's a celebration of life. So families come together, they enjoy, eat together, and just celebrate the life of the person. I think that's what this is, but I'm not entirely sure. Oh yeah, might be. Maybe, yeah, I'm not really sure. If my cousin was here, they would tell me what this is. Yeah, there's definitely something going on here. Let's check this out. This is more of a neighborhood temple. This is actually a neighborhood, so people wouldn't necessarily come to this temple as tourists. So early in the morning, they usually do takbat. Yeah, there's something down there. I don't know what it is. There's smoke coming up. Oh, okay. I think they just, yeah, I think that there was a funeral the other day. And they would burn, yeah, they would just burn some wood and stuff. But, wow. I did not expect this. And yeah, this is a part of a lot of Laotian neighborhoods, you know, where you will have temples. And the temples are not just a place of, you know, worship and prayer, but it's also a community center. You know, families come here since they were young. You know, if the temples were there when they were young, you know, they'll be here later for the most part. it is a pretty beautiful thing, but also a normal part of everyday life. And so for Laotians, it's really nothing super special because it is part of, you know, who they are and what they do every day. So here next to this beautiful temple is something that is an unfortunate reality of living in a country that's not like a first world country like the United States, and that is pollution. As you can see here, there's just trash everywhere right here. And that is quite simply the reality, you know. And this is not like a poor neighborhood. This is a very nice neighborhood. Most of the people who live here, they're part of, you know, the military. They work in the military or they work in the education system. Okay, and these houses are expensive compared to other homes in and around Vientiane. And so, regardless of that, you still have stuff like this. This is just a normal part of living in countries like Laos. And I wish there was an easy solution, but unfortunately there isn't. And every country, even countries like the US, they all have different problems, you know, and this is one of them. And so yeah, that's what we have here next to this temple where people are celebrating, you know, just giving their thanks, you know, for the people that they have and what they have in their life. And yeah, it really a stark difference, you know, here and here. But regardless, this is a wonderful, wonderful country, my home country, and I absolutely love being here.